again this week. So I actually wanted to talk more so about price comparisons this week. I had a real life experience with a client who actually wanted to go get some dental work done. They haven't been in a while, which is typically the case with people today. In this day and age in 2017, you would think people would be a lot more proactive with actually getting their dental work done, but they're really not. Dental work is really expensive. So the client basically went to one provider that's in the network, and they actually quoted them a couple things, and I actually have it here. It's interesting. They actually gave me the summary. So they actually quoted them for a deep cleaning, and the deep cleaning on the right side would have cost them $132.80. And then on the left side, it would have cost them $114.80. I don't know the difference. Maybe I don't really know why it's 132 and 114 on another side. Long story short, this is a major popular provider. I'm not going to say the name, but they basically went in and they were a couple minutes late. And they said, basically, we're not going to be able to do all of your work. We only can do the left side. Obviously, my client was not having that. She was pretty upset. And then she called me, she reached out, and I said, you do have options. You can explore and actually go to another dentist, check another dentist out. Ended up going to another dentist. Not only did she get an appointment that day, she was the first one into the appointment. And guess what? Her deep cleaning ended up being $64. So she actually saved more money by being proactive and actually searching out another provider that would actually give her the same services, but also better pricing, which brings me to the point. A lot of the times we believe that we're getting the best of the best when we go into a provider. You probably are, but you may not be getting the best of the best in regards to pricing. Just like we go around and shop for the best price on whatever item it is that we want to purchase, we also need to go and shop on the best prices for our dental procedures as well. So whether it's a deep cleaning, whether it's cosmetic with crowns, whether it's braces, you need to make sure that you are getting the best price for your budget. And so especially if you have kids that are having braces and you need braces, you should always look for a deal. Not saying, because I know some people may believe that thing that you get what you pay for. Not necessarily. If you actually know how to negotiate and actually know how to present yourself and ask the right questions, you would actually be able to get a great deal for some great quality work. This provider that she ended up going to, not only did they do great work, but they have the best reviews out of that previous provider on Google. So the best reviews is from your peers, people that have actually been there. So that tells me that the quality of work that this gentleman does is really great. Not only is it great, but she's also getting a great price as well. That's not going to take food off the table. So is it going to require you to do a little extra work? Mm-hmm. Is it going to require you to be a little bit more proactive? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Is it going to put you in the driver's seat for your health, mainly your dental health? Absolutely. So I would encourage you, if you're moving forward with anything dental related, to explore your options. In the retail industry, they call it price matching. Price match. If you go to one provider that you always been going to, your kids been going to, your mama, your auntie, and all of them been going to that provider should be giving you a deal. You have a relationship with them. You send them repeated business. So you should be able to at least have a deal. And if they're not willing to give you a deal, I say go somewhere else. So the action item is look for different options, explore price options, especially when you're getting into deep cleanings and extractions and crowns. And then I think she's going back for a filling, but even her entire treatment plan is broken all the way down and a lot cheaper. So the tip of the week is to price match for your dental work. You guys have a great week. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.